and welcome to FreeTechTV. Today what we have for you guys is another unboxing experience. Today we'll be reviewing and unboxing the HBS-780 Bluetooth neckband earbuds, see how they sound, see if it's worth it, and just go over the whole thing and let you guys know what I think about them. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe. More videos like this coming every week, so make sure you check out my previous videos as well. Thank you. Now let's get into it. Alright, so we got the box here. We're going to open it up. See, bubble wrap. And here they are. The LG Tone Pro 780. Now these headphones here are compatible with any Bluetooth device. iPhone, Android, even if you have a Bluetooth enabled laptop as well. So we're going to open them up and hear how they sound. Now these headphones here feature a round the neck band design for comfort. They also have hidden magnetic earbuds. So if you're not using the earbuds, they just connect magnetically there. They also have advanced quad layer speaker technology, so the sound should be very, very well coming out of these earbuds here. And it also has two microphones as well, so if you're outside, you're talking, it should do pretty well even if it's in windy environments as well. So you shouldn't have any problems with the sound quality coming out of these. Just slide it out here. And what we see inside that we get, of course, we get the headphones. We also get the charging cable as well. Extra earbuds. And that's it. These headphones are very lightweight. You can't even really tell that you're wearing them. And the magnetic is a very nice touch. And they also fit very nice and comfortable within your ears. Listening to the sound quality of these, they definitely sound very high quality. You surely shouldn't have any problems with these LG Tone Pro 780 headphones. And for the price, they're around $20–$25 online at Best Buy. You can get them on sale for around $50. So not a bad choice if you're looking for a nice pair of Bluetooth headphones. Now the battery life of these are pretty good as well. You're going to get 10 to 11 hours of talk time if you're talking using the microphones. Or if you're listening to music, you're going to get about 15 to 16 hours of continuous music playback. So certainly should last you for at least a couple days there, maybe in a few days, depending on how you use your phone, your wireless device. Well, this has been the review of the LG Tone Pro 780 headphones. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. More videos like this coming every week, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you.